Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to block my Access Bank ATM card. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Access Bank application, which of course I have done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you get Access Bank mobile application? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Access Bank and follow through the on-screen instructions to download the app. After installing, it's going to take you right into this fantastic sign-up page. We're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to register by creating an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into the Access Bank homepage, where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in the Access Bank mobile app. So once you get in there, I'm just going to quickly show you how to block your Access Bank ATM card if you really want to do that. So from the home page, the next thing you're going to do is to go to the menu icon from your home page. Now, the menu icon is the second icon at the bottom corner of your screen, is at the bottom left corner of your home page where you have the navigation panel. Now go ahead and click on the menu icon. Now, after selecting the menu icon, it's going to take you to a window where you're going to see a couple of options. So go ahead and choose cards and checks. So after clicking on cards and checks, you're going to see a couple of options like an extended menu. Go ahead and click on cards. Now, once you click on cards, go ahead and tap on manage cards. After tapping manage cards, you're going to have to choose the account. After choosing your Access Bank account, that's the account you want to change your card on. After choosing your account, you're going to be prompted to enter your PIN. That's your Access Bank PIN, which is usually 4 digits. Now go ahead and enter your PIN. And after entering your PIN, you can then proceed to block your ATM card by following through with the on-screen instructions you're going to find. So this is pretty much the process. Click on the menu icon, choose cards and checks, choose cards, tap on manage cards, choose your account, enter your PIN, and you are good to go. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.